Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. We're hanging out in the cul-de-sac. It is a beautiful day, and your day is going to get even better because we're going to be talking about the Ford Transit platform today, like this awesome Ford Transit behind me. And at first glance, you may think that this is another Ford Transit Trail. However, we know they stopped making those, and this is a brand new van. So let's talk about the things that have been done on this van to make it look like a Transit Trail. If this is your first time at the channel, I want to say welcome. My name is Jeremy, and I'm one of the crazy people here at Weldtec Designs that love showing off vans and motorhomes and what you could do to customize your van or motorhome. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure you smash the subscribe button, come and hang out with me a bunch more. So let's talk about the first thing, of course, that we love doing here at Weldtec Designs, and that's putting better suspension on your vehicle. We did just that on this. This is kind of like a Trail Hero hybrid, I would say. So this is gonna have the coilover shocks up in the front. It's gonna have our lower control arm support brackets as well. This is running the factory 16-inch wheels, so it is also running our small little wheel spacers because that shock is so big. So we love the King shocks on these because, first of all, they ride amazing. You don't have to run a spacer up on the top of it with the shock as well. All the lift is built into it. And if I want adjustability, I'm able to do that by simply clicking the adjuster knob located on the reservoir of the shock. That is rad. So another big advantage of this coilover shock is the adjustability. I can actually adjust this shock on the bottom. I did a whole video showing you how to adjust the shock as well. I'll put a card so you can go and check that out. So this is a nitrogen filled gas pressured shock that's on there. These things are just amazing. I really love the way that this whole setup rides, and it's gonna look even better once it gets wheels and tires. Gonna go, I think, the black Rhino wheel. But while we're up here, let's kind of go through some of these things. So yes, it looks like a Ford Transit Trail. It's got the fender, so this is something that was added on to this. So if you have a normal Ford Transit and you're interested in doing trail body cosmetic upgrades, let us know. We're going to be adding a lot of these products to our site and being able to install them or sell them for you to do at home. But yeah, check this out. So this has the whole fender flare on there. You can also see it's got the marker light on there if you really love that. I don't know if I'm going to do that one to mine, but some of the other really cool things that it does have is you can see that it also is going to have the grille. And the one thing that I think I'm most excited about is these awesome, I know I'm gonna butcher this, is the Xeon headlights. This is such a nice projector headlight. I really love the way that this thing looks, as well as just being really, really bright. So I'm excited to do these upgrades on my Transit, and when I do, I will be sure to make a video of it. But I really like the fender flares. I like, with my particular van, my tires stick out farther than the wheel well, so I think that this is going to help. This particular customer also put the steps on it. However, you know, we at Weldtec Designs make our own steps, so I'm going to be running our steps. But these are some of the things that would come on a normal Transit Trail model that you can now upgrade onto your Ford Transit, which is really cool. So you didn't pay the big money to get a trail. And now here's the best part, guys. Here's the part that I think I love the most. The one thing that I thought was completely asinine on the Transit Trail was that it would do like 82 miles an hour was the top speed. Well, that's definitely not the case with the normal Transits. You can haul ass, you can definitely drive faster than 82. And that's why, to me, this is a win. And even with all of these things added to this van, it's still cheaper than a Transit Trail would have been. So in the back, we're keeping it pretty simple as well. Now in the back, that's why I said Trail Hero Hybrid. We didn't do the progressive springs in the rear. We just did a 2-inch block in the back of it. It still kept the springs. And now this particular customer, we were out of stock at the time on these rear shocks, so he bought them directly from King. Now, you're going to notice some subtle differences when you look in this wheel well. You're gonna notice that there is no reservoir on there, and to me, this was something that I completely didn't like. So when able to adjust this shock, you have to be able to have elastic arms to reach your hand in and up and around this to get to that knob. So that's one of the benefits of a Weldtec Designs rear king shock, the external remote reservoir shock. So it makes compression adjusting really simple. I can easily reach my hand in the wheel well to do that. However, he did opt in for the brackets that are going to make the upper mount stronger. We also went with the high clearance mounts on the bottom. So really doing a lot of the upgrades that you would normally get on a transit trail, just some slight variations. And that's really key, guys, is depending on what you want to do, give us a call. Let us know what your goal is and how we can help you customize a kit to fit your needs. That's what our goal is here at Weldtec Designs. And you can see in here back, and I like the big fender flare in the back, really covers this well, and it's really gonna be big once you put a bigger tire on there. You're gonna be definitely kicking up less stuff onto your, your body, which is important. So really a simple video, pretty quick. So this is kind of a combination of not only body components added to the external of this, but also a suspension makeover on here as well. I would love to hear what you guys think of this build. And that's what that comment section is for down below. If you're interested in building out your transit, your RV, your van, give us a call. We would love to help you. And otherwise, just have fun browsing our website, checking out all the cool things we build. And I would love for you to hang out with me more here on this channel, as well as if you're in the market for an RV, head over to Big J's RV Reviews, and you can hang out with me even more. Who doesn't want to do that? So anyways, guys, thank you so much, and I hope you guys learned something really cool in this video. That's it. That's all I got. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. I'll see you guys in the next video.